Okay, a special treat, a Corvair wagon in turquoise. Man, I've never even seen that. The trunk is in the front. I have never even seen such a beast. Golly Moses, it is so clean looking. Look at that upholstery. The inside. Has the little ashtrays on the armrest. Room for your luggage. Some air vents for the motor. Chrome hubcaps. Check that out. Okay. That carburetor. Air conditioning even. I've never even seen one of these.
Oh, haven't you?
No.
They made the Lakewood in 61.
Lakewood.
In 62 they made about 1,000 cars and called them the Monza Right.
What year is this one?
61.
61.
Only year of the Lakewood.
Yeah, that's awesome. What a beauty.
Jim, where's the engine? Is it in the back?
Yeah, it's in the back.
I better go look. Make sure. I don't know how we did it.
1961 Corvair Station Wagon. Pretty amazing.